Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Michelle. Can I hear a round of applause for the bald cap? Okay, this is the best bald cap I've ever done in my life. So I'm sharing with you this gorgeous Bayalage ombre unit that I got from WowAfrican. Here's some goodies that came in my bag. There's some eyelashes. We got an edge brush, a scarf, a satin dust bag that you can place your wig in for storage. But let's get into these curls, you guys. Okay, so when I pulled this out, I was a little bit skeptical. I was like, ooh girl, it's giving Shirley Temple realness. I don't know if I can pull this off, but we're just gonna see how it goes, okay? We're gonna go where it takes us. So here's the inside of the cap construction. It's a 13x6 lace wig. It's got an elastic band that you can use to adjust the snugness of the wig. And then something I haven't seen before, and these are anti-slip silicone shades, okay? Which I really do appreciate because I'm wearing this bad boy totally glueless. I will not be engaging the side combs nor the crown comb. I did use the temple comb because, you know, I only do half a bald cap method because I don't know how to do the whole thing. So after I make all the adjustments that I'm gonna make, I go ahead and I apply the wig and I just make sure it fits right. You know, like my ears aren't poking out, it's comfortable. And then I wanna check out this hairline, right? Because they say it came pre-plucked and pre-bleached, and I'm trying to see what that's all about. And I was pleasantly surprised by how well it fits, how nice the hairline looks. I did pluck it a little bit more because I've been watching the growth on TikTok, and there's one page in particular, this girl named, I think she goes by Style by Essa on Instagram and TikTok. Anyway, her hairlines are crazy. So I felt a little inspired. So I pluckety-plucked just a little bit. So then I went ahead and I cut around my ears, and the construction of this cap makes it so much easier. You know how sometimes you get wigs and you cut your ear and you have to cut the actual wig? I don't know what's up with that. So now I'm just gonna clean up the perimeter of my bald cap of any oils or makeup before I applied my bold hold, which is what I'm using to adhere my lace wig. I also used it to do the bald cap, and I'm telling you, the technique is there.
I'm really on fire tonight. Can't nobody hold me down. I'm doing whatever now. Ain't got no time to fight. I'm talking way too loud.
So the instructions on these are a little bit different. I went ahead and cut my lace into sections to make application a bit easier because you're gonna wanna work in sections with this product. You put the product on and then you pull the lace down and then you boom, hit it with the hair dryer.
Yeah, I'm good like that. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Telling you that I might never go to sleep, stay up all night, doing just what I like. No more.
So I was gonna use this scarf to lay my edges down, but I decided against it because I wanted it really tight. So I went ahead and used an elastic hairband to lay my edges. And then I started playing with the hair, and then I messed around and made it frizzy, child. I made it frizzy. I wasn't sure how I was gonna style the hair. So I'm just separating the curls a little bit too much, to be honest. Playing around and seeing how it looks with more volume.
Cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Floating on my wave, I don't care what you say, cause really either way, I'ma do it like that.
So here I am cutting my lace with these little baby nail tech scissors. I don't know why I'm using these scissors because for some reason I got eyelash glue on them and everything is sticky. And I could have got that little spot, but I missed it, but it's all right. So the hairline itself is giving, but I did have some spots where it was lifting. So I just used a little bit of this product and I did some spot treatments around wherever it was flapping away in the wind.
I never fall off this light work. Know it's people trying to see me down real bad. Same ones trying to meet me where I'm at now. Same ones trying to figure how I got here. I be serving my pop, bitch, shaking my sauce, been writing these songs since 40 and key drop. Tell me when to go, how you think I'm finna stop? I be protecting my inner child. You could keep all of that dissonance. They be hating on me cause they see I'm gifted. It's all from the soil, shit 3D printed. I been doing me like I got a blank check. I been taking shade for the love and respect. Wanna touch stage, cross seas on me, no drama, more flights next year.
So now I'm just using a little wax to get rid of that middle part because I'm going to do a side swoop with this hair. And like I said before, I was playing around in it. I was trying to fluff it up because, you know, bigger is better always in my book. But with curly hair, of course, when I was playing around in it, it got kind of frizzy. So I wanted to bring that uniformity back. So I decided that I was going to do wand curls. Everybody loves a good wand curl look. The only thing is commitment and dedication. So go ahead and put on something real quickity-do to watch and do your whole head.
Dreams we always fight, cause we never worked it out. It just kinda slipped through our hands. And I never really said that you hurt me, no, instead I just try to understand. It was so exhausting, so I lost it, had to make it stop.
So you can see, I just want to show you the difference between the curls as they came and then the manufacturer curls that I made.
You asked me what's the problem, to be honest, it was you. That's the truth.
And I'm just hitting it with some gloss. You know I love my lustrous gloss for a really nice lustery shine. So you want to be very careful when you're combing out wand curls. I usually just comb out the roots for that volume, and I do not touch the ends. You don't touch the ends because you don't want them to frizz back up. So now they're soft. The curls were bouncy when they came, and it's just soft, touchable hair wand curls. I love it so much.
You know I don't care about that. It was so exhausting, so I lasted, had to make it stop. Didn't really feel like giving you the chance to make it up. You asked me what's the problem, to be honest, it was you. That's the truth. It really was such a
Because I did not disturb the curls too much, you can really see that ombre bayalage color, and it just pops out. The nice highlights, the dimensions, the colors, honey. The wig is so pretty in the sunlight. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions about this unit, I am going to put everything in the description box below. But look how pretty, oh my gosh. I love the way the hair turned out. It's very glamorous. Anyway, thanks again, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
looking back, what a messed up